Good morning, students. In previous video lecture, we have studied about the questions of chapter 6 from 1 to 10 of exercise 6.5. Now we will start further. We will continue the exercise 6.5 continued. It's a very lengthy exercise. It will take 3 video lectures, I hope. Now we'll do question number 12 from 11 to 20. Few important questions we will do. 11 to 20 important questions we will do. Let's do question number 12 first. Find the maximum and minimum values of the function fx is equal to x plus sine 2x on the interval, closed interval 0 to 2 pi. It means absolute value you have to find out. You have to find out the values on critical points as well as on 0 and on 2 pi. Let's see what is the derivative of the function. F dash x is equal to 1 plus cos 2x, and 2x derivative is 2. It means 2 cos 2x. Put f dash x equal to 0. What this implies? 1 plus 2 cos 2x is equal to 0. And this implies cos 2x is equal to minus 1 upon 2. Minus 1 upon 2. Or you can say this will be minus cos 1 by 2 at, this is at pi by 360. And cos, this minus sign you have to merge. This will be cos of pi minus pi by 3. Cos pi minus theta is minus cos theta. It is in the quadrant, second quadrant. So in second quadrant, cos is negative. You can apply cos pi minus theta is equal to minus cos theta. Or you can write it is cos of 2 pi by 3. Now in general, if you want the value of x, first of all write down cos 2x is equal to cos 2 pi by 3, and 2x will be equal to, that is in general 2 and pi plus minus 2 pi by 3, where n is belongs to integers. Here interval is given 0 to 2 pi. So in between 0 to 2 pi, you have values. You can first of all find out x, that is n pi plus minus 2 pi by 6. And here the value, put the value of n, you are getting x will be equal to, in the interval 0 to 2 pi. When you put here sign values of n positive, then you will get first value when you put n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on up to the interval to 2 pi, only one rotation. You're getting first when you put 0 here, you're getting pi by 3, then 2 pi by 3, next 4 pi by 3, 5 pi by 3. These are the values in the interval from 0 to 2 pi. Now our target is to get the maximum value. It means what? These are the points including 0 and 2 pi. It means total 6 points are there on which you have to find out values. Let's see what are the values and which one is the maximum. F of 0 first. If you put here in fx, x is equal to 0, you are getting 0 plus 0 comes out 0. And then f of pi by 3. Put pi by 3 here, you are getting pi by 3 plus sine, this becomes 2 pi by 3, and at 2 pi by 3 when you get conversion, this becomes plus root 3 by 2. And now f of 2 pi by 3. Simplify it. You are getting 4 pi by 3 here in the sign. It becomes pi plus pi by 3. It becomes 2 pi by 3. That becomes minus sine pi by 3. After simplifying it, you have to simplify it according to a quadrant. And this becomes 2 pi by 3 minus root 3 by 2. And at f of 4 pi by 3, you are getting, simplify it, do your own, 4 pi by 3. And here, when put here, at the place of sine 2x, we are getting sine 8 pi by 3. And 8 pi by 3 can be written as 2 pi plus 2 pi by 3. And you are getting plus sine 2 pi by 3 here. And after simplification, we will get 4 pi upon 3. And the value get, yeah, that is root 3 by 2. And f of 5 pi by 3, the value will be 5 pi by 3 minus root 3 by 2. And at f of 2 pi last, the value will be equal to 2 pi plus 0, because sine 4 pi is 0, it is 2 pi. And the maximum and minimum values are, it means absolute maximum value of this function is at 2 pi. Here it is maximum, and x is equal to 0, it is minimum, because it is 0 here. So this is the solution of question number 12. Now read the question number now. Let's do question number next, that is question number 13. Question number 13. Open NCERT along with this lecture. This will be helpful for you. Read the statement and then do the question. Find two numbers whose sum is 24 and whose product is as large as possible. It means you have to maximize the product. But you have to do product should be maximize this product. And other is what given? Sum of numbers is 24. It means what are the numbers? Let numbers are x and y. So according to question, x plus y is given to you, that is 24. And you have to maximize product of the numbers. Products is equal to x into y. And here two variables are given here. Change it into one variable. So what? Put the value of y from here, 24 minus x is the y value. Put here x into 24 minus x, product will be equal to 24x minus x square. Now you have to maximize the profit. Apply the second derivative method. First of all, apply the first derivative with respect to x, differentiate it. P dash is equal to 24 minus 2x, and P double dash will be equal to minus 2 here. And when you put P dash equal to 0, you will get the value which is critical. 24 minus 2x equal to 0. What you will get? X is equal to 12. If x is equal to 12, you have to find out P double dash at x is equal to 12. But the value of P double dash is minus 2. No x is there. It means what? This value of x will not affect the second derivative value. Minus 2 means this is less than 0 at x is equal to 12. It means less than 0 means P is, what is implied? P is maximum at x is equal to 12. Numbers will be what now? If first number is 12, second number will also be 12, because sum of two numbers is 24. If x is 12, then y will be 12. It is maximized because by second derivative method, if second derivative at that critical point is less than 0, it means the function is showing maximum value at that point. Okay. Now come to the question number next. Do question number, I think try question number 14, 15, 16. These are the same as question number 13. You can do, you can try these questions. Now come to the question number 17. Question number 17. A square piece of tin of side 18 centimeter is to be made into a box without top by cutting a square from each corner and folding up the flap to form the box. Here is a box like this. Suppose it is a square box, and each corner is cut by like this, and top is open. Now what should be the side of the square to be cut off so that the volume of the box is maximum possible? It means let it is x square, it means all sides are x, and the side of box is given to you, that is 18. Now if you cut, let x be the side of the square, cut off from each corner, like this, it is shown in the figure. Then length will be equal to x is cut from here, x is cut from here. What is left here? The length will be 18 minus x plus x is 2x. 18 minus 2x. And what will be the breadth? Breadth will be again, that will be same, 18 minus 2x. And what is the height? How much you are taking square, small square which you are cutting from the corner, that size is height of the box. X unit, write down unit. Now you want to maximize the volume. Volume you have to maximize. It means volume will be equal to length into breadth into height, and you can say volume will be 18 minus 2x into 18 minus 2x into x, or you can say it is 18 minus 2x whole square, 2 times it is written into x. Now what is the procedure to maximize the volume? First of all, find out the first derivative, put that derivative equal to 0, get critical points, and then second derivative you have to find out and put those critical points in the second derivative and find out the second derivative at those critical points. If the second derivative is less than 0 at the given critical point, then it shows maximum value at that point. Now our target is to first find out derivative v dash with respect to, here with respect to x you have to write down. What is the derivative? That is 2 into 18 minus 2x, power becomes 1. Derivative of this again, that is minus 2, and x as it is, plus 18 minus 2x whole square as it is. Derivative of x is 1. It means we are getting minus, here 18 minus 2x you can take common, it's become easy, and here you will get minus 4x and 1. 18 minus 2x will get common, and here you will left minus 4x plus 18 minus 2x, but you are getting 18 minus 2x, it is minus sign, and this becomes 18 minus 6x. These are the factors which you get. Now put v dash will be equal to 0. V dash equal to 0 means 18 minus 2x and 18 minus 6x equal to 0. What this will give? X is equal to 9 and x is equal to 3. X is equal to 9 is rejected. This is rejected because if you take x is equal to 9, then length becomes 0 and breadth becomes 0. So this is the value, x is equal to 3. Now you have to find out the second derivative. V double dash with respect to x, we have to find out second derivative. That will be equal to, you can differentiate it like 18 minus 2x, and derivative of second factor will be minus 6 plus 18 minus 6 as it is, derivative of 18 minus 2x, that becomes minus 2. Simplify it and you are getting the statement second derivative at x is equal to 3. F double dash at x is equal to 3. Put the value of x is equal to 3 here. You will get negative value. This will be 18 minus 6 into minus 6 plus 18 minus 18, that is minus 2 multiplied by, and here you are getting 12 into 6 minus 72, that is less than 0. It means what? This implies the volume of box is maximum when x is equal to 3, and the square of side 3 centimeter you have to cut. Square of 3 centimeter we have to cut. This is the answer of the question number 17. Now come to the question number next. Try question number 18. You're on. This is same as question number 17. Now come to the question number 19. How to do question number 19? Show that all the rectangles inscribed in a given fixed circle, the square has the maximum area. It means when you are inscribing rectangle in a circle, that rectangle becomes square when you are talking about the maximum area enclosed by that figure. Okay, here is the circle. And we are inscribing a rectangle in it. Suppose the length and breadth are x and y, and suppose it is the center of the circle and diameter of this, and this is O. Write down O, it is R, this is also R. Okay, now consider a rectangle of length x and y. Let's write down, let length of rectangle is x and breadth of rectangle is y, radius of circle is r. So you can see here, if it is a rectangle, the angle will be of 90 degree. You can apply Pythagoras on this triangle. You're getting x square plus y square is equal to 2r square, or you can say it is 4r square. You can find the value of y from here. That will be 4r square minus x square. You have to maximize the area of rectangle. Rectangle area is length into breadth. It means x into y. It means a is equal to x into y, and you can put the value of y from above, that is x into under the root 4r square minus x square. 4r square minus x square. What is the derivative? with respect to x, you have to differentiate. A dash will be equal to x as it is. Find out the derivative of this. This becomes 1 upon 2 under the root 4r square minus x square, and derivative of this is minus 2x. Cancel this by 2 and further plus under the root 4r square minus x square, derivative of 1, x is 1. When you take LCM, take the partition, then A dash is equal to, take LCM, that LCM is root 4r square minus x square, it becomes minus, and x into x, x square, plus, that becomes 4r square minus x square, because square of the root becomes, the roots are cancelled. Now it becomes 4r square minus 2x square upon under the root 4r square minus x square. Put a dash equal to 0. This implies 4r square minus 2x square is equal to 0. Denominator becomes 0. And this implies the value of x will be equal to, square is there, then root 2r. This is the value of x you will get from here. The second derivative means u upon v you have to apply on this. What you are getting? Under the root 4r square minus x square whole square. This is as it is. 4r square minus x square as it is. And derivative of this is becomes minus 4x minus sign. Now 4r square minus 2x square as it is. The derivative of this is 1 upon 2 under the root 4r square minus x square and minus of 2x. This is a derivative. Now put the value, now you have to do it. Put x is equal to root 2r in this second derivative. What you will get? You will get less than 0 statement. What this implies? Area is maximum. Area is maximum. Now we have to find out y. If x is equal to 2 root 2r, then what is the value of y? Y is equal to 4r square minus root 2r square. It means you are getting root, this is 2r square, it is 2r square, it means you can say it is root 2r. X and y both are same. It means what? Rectangle becomes square. If rectangle becomes square, then only the area of the enclosed figure and area of the rectangle will be maximum. This is the question number 19. Do it. Now come to the question number 20. We'll do question number 20. Show that the right circular cylinder of given surface area, here specially I have told you given surface area. When it is written like this surface area, it means we are talking about total surface area. If it is curved surface area, it will be mentioned. If it is written only SA, it means total surface area is there. So you have to take the total surface area. Okay. Curved surface area, lateral surface area, always mentioned in the question. When there is a total surface area, it is written only SA, surface area only. And maximize the volume is such that its height is equal to the diameter of the base. Height is equal to diameter of the base. This is the question. Now, given surface area, let h be the height. This is very important to write like this. R be the radius of cylinder Then surface area will be equal to, that is total surface area, that is 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. Now we have to maximize the volume. What is the volume? Volume you have to maximize. It means what is the volume of cylinder? That is pi r square h. R and h are two variables there. You have to find out the value of r or whether h from the given statement. That is given is what? Surface area. Here it's easy to find out the value of h to make the volume statement in one variable. H will be equal to S minus 2 pi r square upon 2 pi r. Now this is the value of H. You can put that value in V. That is equal to pi r square into H means S minus 2 pi r square upon 2 pi r, like this. It means you can write it like this, pi cancelled by this, and r, 1 r is cancelled. It means it is left 1 by 2. Here is 1 by 2 taking r, taking inside SR minus 2 pi r cube. This is the statement volume. Now you have to differentiate this with respect to r. With respect to r, differentiate the volume. What you are getting? Yes, volume V dash will be equal to 1 by 2 constant taking outside. This becomes S minus 3 to the 6 pi r to the power 2. Now put V dash equal to 0. What this implies? Half of S minus 6 pi r square is equal to 0. This implies, from here you can get the value, S upon 6 pi, and square means under the root sign. This is the value of r. Now you have to find out second derivative. Second derivative of this is first derivative, second derivative. V double dash will be equal to, with respect to again r. Second derivative means half as it is, s becomes 0, and it's got 12 pi r. This is equal to minus 6 pi r. When you put V double dash at r is equal to under the root s upon 6 pi, you are getting minus 6 pi into root s upon 6 pi. It means this is less than 0. Less than 0 means maximum volume will be, volume is maximum at r is equal to under the root s upon 6 pi. Now what is the value of h? Now you want to find out h. H is the diameter of the base. It means 2r. H is equal to 2r. You have to find out. Now take, where is the value, which is h? H is here, and we can put the value of s is equal to 6 pi r square. Here you can see, from here I can write it like this. If I equate this, s is equal to 6 pi r square. If I don't calculate r, then that you can say s is equal to 6 pi r square from this. So h is equal to, s means 6 pi r square minus 2 pi r square upon 2 pi r. You will get that is equal to, h is equal to, that is 4 pi r square upon 2 pi r. Pi cancel 2, and it is r, it is 2r. It means h is equal to 2r, hence proved. This is a question number 20. I hope you can understand how to do the questions by applying the second derivative method. These are very good questions. Now we will do next questions 21 to 25. In next, no, 26. Last question is 26. 27, 28, and 29 are MCQ questions. We will do questions from 21 to 26 in next video. Do these questions in your notebook, make notes and try to do your own. Thank you. Have a nice day.